hear me out. The table is never this clean, and I'm sure you're a little worried right now. I'm a little worried right now. It is never this clean. I just got to mark off one of my biggest goals for this year. You guys, I'm so excited, and I'm trying to really play it cool, but I am so excited. And I feel like if you've been here for a little bit, then I've talked about it a lot. And I was afraid that it was becoming really annoying. But guess what? I finally was able to do. You guys. Oh! This is finally Cotton and Steel, the company that is carrying Rifle Paper Company. Yes, we finally did it. Like I said, it was my goal for this year to be able to save up enough. And we're cutting it close to the end of the year, but I did it. Okay, so let's open these cuties together. There were a couple that were back ordered. And they're the ones that I was like, oh, these are going to be good. So, I mean, those are all going to be great, but I was really excited for those ones, so I'm sad they're back ordered. We'll see. We'll see when they end up showing up. Okay. All right, let's do this big box first. You know what? Let's do something cool. Let's magic instead. How about that? You see 2 boxes? And now you don't. All of the flowery things. All of them. So like I said, there are 2 more bolts that are back ordered right now. And one was a real branch out for me that I was excited for. This one's a branch out for me. But it was this Strawberry Fields floral. With the black background. See, am I brave or what? We've done one black fabric before and I loved it so much. So I'm glad that we're doing it again. And then we have this really gorgeous blue floral. And anyways, they're both back ordered right now, but I think they're gorgeous and I think they'll be a wonderful addition. So you're ready to go through some fabric together? Oh my gosh. You guys have been so amazing and helping me get to this point. Honestly, I feel like every time I whined to you about it, you guys showed up and you helped me out. So this is a huge goal for me, like I said, but I am just so grateful for all of your help. All right, let's cut into this. All right, this is a light blue gingham. It kind of has some gray in it. This one is really cute. It looks like watercolor. It looks like it was painted. It's really gorgeous. Something about Rifle Paper Company is they have the quirkiest colors. They don't just have blue or red. You know what I mean? They have their own specific color scheme. And so I felt like I had to buy some more blender fabrics or less intense fabrics just to go along with them. And I'm really glad that I did. So this is their red. It's like a red orange, but I think it's gorgeous. And you can kind of see the blues in there already. So I think those 2 together are already so cute. Do you see that? Love those reds. Now this one is not Rifle Paper Company, but I liked the golden color. And since we're having the great golden debacle of 2025 currently, I thought let's give this one a go. What do we have to lose? And it's really pretty. It's a really pretty golden yellow. And these little flowers and stuff back here are like a cream. So they're not white. Yeah. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. Kind of like a linen color. How pretty is that one? Yeah. So I still did order that other golden yellow, like I said, but I use a lot of this kind of yellow, so I'm glad it's here too. All right. All the things, all the things. This blue, and this is what I'm talking about with their blues. It is very clearly a blue, but I don't know how you would ever match that blue without getting something else from their line. Oh my gosh, I love it. And this has little flecks of gold metallic in it. So the center of the flowers, and there's like little lines in the leaves, those are gold. And they're shiny and they're precious. And I love them so much. So much. Okay, here is a navy background with red and pink florals. Kind of like a periwinkle blue in there. Maybe a purple. Doesn't quite match that one. It's definitely a purple. Hey, don't be rude. I'm trying to show you off to all of my friends. Cooperate. You're gorgeous, and I want to show you off. Okay. Here's this one. And this is one that I had in my personal stash. And I was really glad that I used it because I love it a lot. But I was really upset that I used it because then I didn't have any more. So I think I have like a sliver of it. It's a glorified scrap, but I held on to it just in case. But now we've got a whole bolt of it. Now this floral is the one that we just used in the Starborn. I also noticed that they changed the name of the pattern online on Riley Blake, so it's called Starborn or like Superstar or something. But this one with the blue gingham. So I'm really excited to get this one up and listed because then that means we can make a quilt kit for the Starborn, another free pattern and all of the cuteness. But I'm really excited that now we can finally offer it. Let me show it to you up close. Again, this has gold in it. And it is in the middle of all the flowers, little sparkles. So pretty. All right, now we're getting kind of to like our lower, less busy patterns. I really branched out, you guys. I love this one, but it's scaring me a little just because it's black and gray. That is so out of my comfort zone. So we have two of this one actually. We have it in that tan color and then in their red color. They're like, only they use this red, I swear it. So I'll just show you these both at the same time. But it's just this cute like little dainty floral in there. But that tan is a nice neutral. And then you have their red in there as well. So pretty. So pretty. I think there you go. Put those two together. Isn't that happy? Yes, it is. The answer is yes. So if you said anything besides yes, then try again until you say yes. Oh my gosh. Good little lower volumes. All right. So we've got all of these stripes down here, and I won't show you, I won't make you look at all of them individually, but we'll just shove them all together. So this is a navy stripe. I thought it was black, but it is navy, okay? And then we have this pretty blue stripe, and then we have it also in red. So again, these are just kind of fabrics I got knowing that Rifle Paper Company has a little bit quirkier colors, and I cannot wait to use them. I think they are gorgeous. And it's not like a perfect stripe. Again, it kind of looks hand painted or hand drawn. So it's like a little sketchy looking. Sketchy as in it has been sketched, not sketchy as in shady or suspicious. In case we needed some clarification, okay? All right, here is black. See, I can do hard things. I can branch out. I may be afraid, but I can do it. This is a really pretty black, actually. I feel like sometimes blacks look like they're gonna fade pretty quickly, but this is like, this is legit. This is a really pretty black, and it has these dots in there, and they're blue, which I'm kind of surprised by. Again, I did not expect them to be blue because they looked white, but I like the blue. But this was kind of like the thought process here, and that's why I waited till the end, or at least to put all these three together. Because the black will go with that dark floral that I showed you at the beginning, and then the red stripes will go with that black floral. You know what I mean? Like we have a lot of things that will go together with that. But this one in particular, I was like, I need to buy specific things for, and I'm glad that I did. So I'll show you this one, and then I'll show it with the gray stripe there. Another really gorgeous floral. It has kind of like a golden brown in it. We've got a black background with gray leaves, white flowers, really pretty. Does have some metallic in the middle of all of the white flowers. And then these little clusters of flowers are also metallic. Is that not gorgeous? So it's super pretty. So out of my comfort zone. But then I grabbed this simple stripe, like a little tiny stripe to go with that. And then we've got this black in there. And then, because we have tans, I also got this one to go with it as well. So, how are we feeling about that one so far? We definitely purchased with a purpose. We did not just go willy-nilly. I had a purpose for a lot of these, but I am really happy with how that looks together. And so it's kind of interesting because these leaves right here are like blue. So you could even put a blue in here. Isn't that kind of cool? I cannot believe we did it. We did it. We really did. All of us, we did it. Like I said, I whined about it quite a bit, but we actually did it. Okay. I need to put that disclosure on the website now. All of your fabric has probably been hugged. These are pre-hugged fabrics. Okay, I'll give you like one last look-see of all of these, and then we will skedaddle. I'm just so excited. That is going to be really pretty. We're going to have to think of a pattern to use that on, friends, because I branched out, but now what do I do with it? And there's those florals with the bright reds. There's that one that we used in Starborn, that so many good kits are going to be made with this floral. I just know it. And then we have these three. We've got our golden yellow and our rifle paper red with that cute blue gingham. Oy vey. I would say the cuteness is a 10 out of 10 here. And then last but not least, we have our stripes, which I didn't unwrap, but I will. But very pretty red, very gorgeous navy. Love the light blue. Will go really well with that gingham as well. It's a good delivery day. It's a good delivery day. Our poor mailman. That's all I have to say. I'm going to have to leave some treats out for him. Like really good treats. Poor guy's going to be delivering a lot of fabric this month. Okay, hopefully next video we'll get to sew. I was really happy that we did the peppermint forest in the last video, but I was actually really annoyed that I didn't just finish a project first before I started a new one. Like, it was literally bothering me all day that I was working on something new when I'm like 80% done with this quilt top. I just have to finish putting all the rows together. So the queen of 90% done, still going strong. All right, friends, you're wonderful. Thanks for listening to me jabber. Thanks for putting up with me. Thank you for your support in the quilt shop. super, super grateful. I think when the Peppermint Forest sale is over, this will be the next batch of stuff to go on sale, because technically we're showing it off, right? It's being featured. How fancy. After the Peppermint Forest is done, then I'll put all of these on the website for sale. So maybe when this video goes up, they'll be on the website. Maybe not. Time will tell. This is the last week of school before Christmas break, and the goal is just to survive it without crying. So at least if I'm feeling sad, now I have nice, pretty things to come home to. I have problems. It's okay. I'm fine. Don't worry. I'm fine over here. Until next time, friends. We'll see you. Bye.